Welcome to the Village at Science Drive, Orlando, your ultimate student haven. This isn't just accommodation, it's a vibrant community crafted for academic success and unforgettable memories. Step into spacious 3- and 4-bedroom apartments, fully furnished for your comfort. Enjoy a full-sized kitchen with a dishwasher, oven, microwave, and ice maker fridge. Each room boasts a full-sized bed, huge walk-in closet, study desk, and in-unit washer-dryer, convenience at its finest. Beyond your door, incredible common amenities await. Work out at the 24-hour fitness center, shoot hoops on the basketball court, or unwind by the sparkling swimming pool. Take advantage of roommate matching, free printing at the Academic Success Center, and organize social activities. Located at 2913 Einstein Way, your moments from the University of Central Florida and Advent Health University. With N Alafaya Trail and Science Doctor bus stops just a short stroll away, getting around is a breeze. Ready to thrive? Book your ideal student space now via amberstudent.com.